Many of you guys think that cat makes a purring sound when they are happy, but that is not true. Cats make a purring sound for a variety of reasons, and it is one of their most distinctive forms of communication, including stress, discomfort, hunger, thirst, sick, or demand. You might also curious how cat makes purring sounds. The purring sound is made by the rapid movement of the muscles within their larynx voice box, combined with the movement of the diaphragm. The muscles move at a rate of 25 to 150 vibrations per second hertz, creating a consistent, comforting sound. Are you guys listening when I am trying to say right? Hello, I am here, guys.
Huh?